Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unveiling the best garage workbenches on the market. From sturdy designs to customizable features, we've got everything you need to turn your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. Stick around as we dive into the top contenders, helping you find the perfect fit for your projects. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. WRX Pegasus Multifunction Workbench. Introducing your ultimate assistant for all-around projects, the Pegasus Multifunction Work Table from WRX. This versatile workbench is crafted to be your go-to ally, boasting a plethora of features to elevate your project endeavors. Utilize it as a sturdy work surface accommodating weights of up to 300 pounds, or convert it into a robust sawhorse with an impressive 1,000-pound capacity. Its legs securely lock in place, ensuring a stable and steadfast workspace without any wobbling. Moreover, for clamped dogs aid in positioning materials and securely holding objects on the table. For added convenience, a handy shelf beneath the table provides storage space for extra tools and supplies. Despite its robust capabilities, the Pegasus remains lightweight at just 25 pounds, making it effortlessly portable. It stands at 32 inches high, 25 inches wide, and 31 inches deep, but folds down to a compact 5 inches deep for easy storage. Should your project demand more surface area, effortlessly link 3 or more of these tables together. Embrace the practicality and versatility of the Pegasus Multifunction Work Table as your trusted companion for all your project needs. Pros. Doubles as work table or sawhorse. Includes clamps and clamp dogs. Very stable and sturdy. Lightweight, portable design. Cons. Included clamps are not heavy-duty. Number 2. Keter 12-inch Portable Folding Workbench. Step into the limelight with the Keter Folding Workbench, a standout choice renowned for its exceptional portability and compact design, perfectly suited for those leading a mobile lifestyle yet requiring the functionality of a sturdy workbench. This option is a remarkable solution. Not only does it comfortably accommodate a miter saw, but it also boasts two 12-inch wood clamps, extending its utility for woodworking enthusiasts. Undoubtedly, this workbench shines as the premier choice for woodworking projects. Its standout feature is its foldable design, allowing for effortless storage and transport after a day of productive work. What sets this design apart is its lightweight yet durable construction, ensuring convenience without compromising strength. Though its aluminum legs may not be as robust as some alternatives, they still offer ample stability for this remarkably convenient solution. For those seeking portability without sacrificing durability and functionality, the Keter Folding Workbench stands out as the ultimate choice. Its ability to fold into a compact package facilitates easy transportation, while its heavy-duty resin construction ensures it can tackle challenging tasks with ease. Pros. Made with heavy-duty, very resistant resin. Lightweight and easy to set up. Includes wood clamps. Durability or utility. Cons. Height isn't adjustable. Number 3. Bosch Home PWB 600 Workbench. Having a reliable and adaptable workbench can greatly enhance productivity across various tasks. Enter the Bosch PWB 600 Workbench, ingeniously crafted to cater to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its standout feature lies in its robust clamping system, capable of securing workpieces up to 26 inches in length and weighing up to 449 pounds, thanks to the support of its durable aluminum legs. Boasting adjustable height, a lightweight aluminum frame, and a convenient folding mechanism, this workbench excels in portability. Whether transitioning from the workshop to the garden, its ease of transport is unparalleled. Additionally, the inclusion of 2 bamboo worktops not only shields the surface from water damage and scratches but also enhances its suitability for outdoor use. One satisfied customer remarked, "It's a very stable and sturdy work surface, significantly larger than its competitors." Reflecting on its German engineering heritage, they praised its quality, functionality, and usability. The aluminum construction not only ensures lightweight portability but also provides exceptional strength and stability. Moreover, being rust-proof adds another layer of durability, making it a reliable companion for various tasks, even in adverse weather conditions. Number 4. Seville Classics Ultra HD Commercial Lighted Workbench. Immerse yourself in the sturdy craftsmanship of the Ultra HD Lighted Workbench, a standout among our featured options for its exceptional durability. Anchored by a heavy-duty steel frame and bolstered by leveling feet, this workbench guarantees stability, effortlessly adapting to uneven workshop terrain. The tabletop, hewn from robust beech hardwood, rivals oak in both longevity and resilience, boasting an impressive 1.5-inch thickness. A defining feature of the Ultra HD Workbench is its integrated fluorescent light fixture, offering the flexibility to work at any time of day or under varying lighting conditions. Enhancing its allure is the generous storage capacity it offers. 2 drawers suspended beneath the table, coupled with a pegboard on top, ensure that all your tools and essentials are within easy reach, eliminating the need for additional storage solutions. The Ultra HD lighted workbench truly excels in harmonizing durability, functionality, and organization, creating an optimal workspace for your projects. Pros: includes pegboard and drawer storage, integrated fluorescent light fixture, steel frame for better stability. Cons: instructions are hard to read. Number 5. FedMax Portable Mobile Garage Workbench. Introducing the FedMax Mobile Garage Workbench, a supremely portable solution thanks to its heavy-duty casters, ensuring smooth mobility. While leveling feet are available as an alternative, we highly recommend embracing the casters for optimal maneuverability. Equipped with locks, these casters allow you to secure the table in place once positioned. Adding to its versatility, the steel legs are adjustable from 28 inches to 44 inches in height. Setting a standard for durability is the extra-durable acacia hardwood tabletop, renowned for its resistance against scratches and damage. Despite its modest 1-inch thickness, the enhanced durability of the acacia wood compensates for this limitation, supported by a resilient steel frame capable of bearing weights upwards of 1,000 pounds. The FedMax Mobile Garage Workbench seamlessly blends portability, adaptability, and durability, offering a versatile and reliable workspace. Pros: fast and simple assembly.